This is your daily glimpse of science.
Hey, Dark Matter 1, do you know why we need to get into this gas bubble?
Keep pushing in, Dark Matter 2. I hear it's important for us, dark matter particles, to enter those expanding bubbles during this cosmological phase transition. I know it's very difficult for us to enter, but if we don't get in there before the phase transition completes, we'll be reflected and annihilated away very quickly.
So only the dark matter particles that successfully enter the bubbles get to survive?
Based on the new ongoing theory about dark matter, yes. And only those surviving dark matter particles will be the ones that make up the dark matter observed later by the humans.
Why is it so hard for us to enter these bubbles?
The new theory suggests that if we, dark matter particles, acquire mass during a first-order phase transition in which the boiling water is turning from a liquid to a gas, the process of entering these gas bubbles become energetically unfavorable for us.
So we, dark matter, could possess heavier masses than I thought.
I heard that after decades of focusing on weakly interacting massive particles as candidates for the search of dark matter particles, later on in 2020, the scientists will be extending their searches towards heavier masses.
Stop talking, you two. Your priorities is to get into that bubble. Do you want to disappear?
We are working on it, sir!
But not the disappearing part.
The articles and news sources are in the description below. If you would like to see more of these videos, hit the like and subscribe buttons.
Thank you very much, and we hope you find your daily glimpse of science as interesting as we did.